Struggling with a garage door that won't open or close? This common frustration could be due to issues with your opener, remote control, sensors, or even a simple power outage. Don't let it disrupt your day. If you're in the Kiama area and facing this problem, it's time to call the experts. Reach out to us at 0409774111. Our team of qualified professionals is ready to diagnose and fix the issue quickly and efficiently, ensuring your garage door functions perfectly again. Don't hesitate, call now and get back to your routine without any more hassle.